you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello, I'm Rachel Jones. Welcome to today's edition of the Crypto Catch. Now, big investors are dipping their toes into crypto waters again after a bumper month for Bitcoin. Digital asset investment products, often favored by institutional investors, saw inflows of over $117 million last week, the biggest weekly increase since last July. That's according to data from asset manager CoinShares. Bitcoin was far and away the biggest draw, with funds tracking it responsible for $160 million of that. Crypto funds' total assets under management have risen to $28 billion. That's up 43% from lows in November, as the collapse of the FTX exchange sent shockwaves through the industry. In other crypto news, the founder of a defunct cryptocurrency business was sentenced yesterday to more than 8 years in prison for defrauding investors and customers out of millions of dollars by marketing a virtual currency called My Bitcoin with lies and half-truths. Federal prosecutors had urged the judge to impose a 13-year prison term on Randall Crater to send a message to others in the first sentencing of a cryptocurrency company founder for marketing fraud. Prosecutors said those false claims included that My Bitcoin was a real virtual currency and was backed by gold and had partnerships with MasterCard. Prosecutors said he used the money to buy cars, jewelry, artwork, and antique coins. And bankrupt crypto lender Celsius Network used investor money and customer deposits to prop up its own token, while two of its founders made millions of dollars from token sales. That's according to a US court-ordered examiner report released yesterday. Crypto lenders such as Celsius boomed during the COVID-19 pandemic, drawing customers by promising high interest rates on their cryptocurrency deposits. New Jersey-based Celsius filed for US bankruptcy in July after freezing customer withdrawals. Well, now let's take a look at the figures today. Bitcoin is at $23,112 US. That's up 1% in the last 24 hours. And Ethereum is at $1,586 US, up 0.78% in the last 24 hours. Now, all prices are correct at lunchtime on Wednesday. That's it for this edition of the Daily Crypto Catch. Stay tuned for Kalkine TV's latest market updates, business news and interviews. I'm Rachel. Thanks for joining me.